Hey everyone! Welcome back to ABC Hosting, the place where we simplify hosting and tech for everyone. Today's video is going to be super exciting because we're diving deep into a topic that so many people are curious about: how to create your own online video hosting site. Whether you're planning to build a YouTube alternative, launch a niche streaming service, host courses, or build a private video on-demand site, this video is packed with everything you need to know. So, grab a notepad or your favorite beverage, and let's break this down step by step in a super beginner-friendly yet professional way. First off, let's talk about what a video hosting site actually is. A video hosting site is a platform where you can upload, store, stream, and manage video content, just like YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. But unlike YouTube, if you create your own platform, you control everything, from content policies to monetization methods. And the best part? You don't need to be a hardcore coder to build one anymore. Let's walk through how to get your video hosting site up and running. Step 1, define your niche and audience. Before jumping into tech stuff, figure out what kind of videos you'll be hosting. Is it entertainment, educational content, adult content, or private courses? Knowing your niche will guide your design, features, and even legal structure. Step 2, choose a platform or script. You'll need a CMS or video script to power your website. Some popular options include ClipBucket PHP, Melody Video Share VOD, or even custom WordPress setups with plugins like FFmpeg or Presto Player. These scripts come with upload tools, admin panels, video encoding options, and playback capabilities. Step 3, get a powerful video hosting server. And this is the heart of your platform. You're going to be hosting large video files, and that requires high storage, fast bandwidth, and optimized video delivery. We'll come back to this crucial part in just a moment. Step 4, set up video encoding. Your site must convert uploaded videos into web-optimized formats. This usually means using FFmpeg, a popular open-source tool that helps convert videos into different resolutions, like 1080p, 720p, 480p, etc. Step 5. Create an engaging front end. Use themes or templates that focus on great user experience. Users should be able to search, browse, and play videos smoothly. Step 6. Secure and optimize your site. Implement SSL certificates, proper data security, and CDNs to distribute content globally without buffering issues. Step 7. Monetize your platform. You can integrate ads, memberships, pay-per-view systems, or affiliate models depending on your niche. Now, listen carefully. This part is super important. When it comes to hosting videos online, your regular shared hosting won't cut it. You need a high-performance video hosting service because video files are large, and streaming them in real time requires ultra-fast read-write speeds, robust CPU power, high bandwidth, and optimized delivery systems. Using weak hosting leads to constant buffering, slow load times, and unhappy users, which means you could lose traffic, credibility, and even revenue. So, if you're serious about creating a successful video platform, this is where you need to invest smartly. And that's exactly why I recommend QLoudHost, a leader in high-performance DMCA ignored and video hosting solutions. Here's what makes QLoudHost stand out: 100% DMCA ignored hosting. Perfect if you need full content freedom, high bandwidth and uptime. No lags, no interruptions, even with high traffic. FFmpeg pre-installed. So you're ready to go with encoding NVMe storage and fast SSDs for lightning-fast video delivery. Powerful CPU and RAM, designed to handle high-performance video platforms, global CDN integration, for smooth worldwide playback, full root, access, and customization. Freedom. Do it your way. Affordable pricing plans. Without compromising quality. Whether you're hosting a niche streaming site, a private video archive, or a new entertainment platform, QLoudHost gives you the power and flexibility you need without the headache. So there you go. Now you know exactly how to create your own online video hosting platform from scratch. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who's looking to start a streaming site, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more guidance. I personally read and reply to as many comments as I can. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to ABC Hosting for more in-depth tutorials, tech tips, and hosting reviews that actually help. Thanks for watching. and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay creative, stay curious, and stay hosted with the best.